This is Shibuya Crossing in Tokyo. It is the famous Scramble Crossing right outside Shibuya Station. In one green light, huge waves of people cross from every direction at the same time, including diagonally. It feels like Tokyo in one single frame, fast, bright, and always moving. So why is Shibuya Crossing so famous? First, it is one of the busiest pedestrian crossings in the world. When the light changes, the streets fill up in seconds. The timing is simple, but the scene looks dramatic because so many people move together. Then everything clears again and traffic starts. This repeat cycle makes it perfect for video. Second, the crossing is surrounded by massive screens, neon signs, and constant sound. Even if you are not shopping, the area feels like an open-air show. The buildings are tall, the lights are strong, and the crowd energy is high, especially in the evening. Third, Shibuya Crossing is a global symbol of modern Japan. It appears in travel videos, films, and photos. So many visitors come here because it feels familiar before they even arrive. It is also very easy to reach, so it often becomes a first stop in Tokyo. Now, what can you do here? Start with the classic experience. Cross it once, then cross it again from a different direction. Each side gives a new view of the street and the screens. If you want strong shots, stand on the edge and start filming before the light changes. Capture the moment when the crowd begins to move, and then the full scramble in the middle. Next, watch it from above. If you find a nearby upper floor viewpoint, you can film the full pattern of people moving like a living map. This is one of the most satisfying angles because you can clearly see the diagonal crossing and the flow from all sides. After that, explore the area around the crossing. Shibuya is full of fashion stores, small streets, cafes, and food spots. Even a short walk away from the crossing, you can find quieter corners and local places to eat. For the best atmosphere, come in the late afternoon or at night, when the screens are bright and the street looks most cinematic. If it is raining, the reflections on the ground make the lights look even stronger. Just keep your valuables secure, because it can get crowded. That's Shibuya Crossing, a simple intersection that became one of the most iconic street scenes in the world.